Hi! My name is Vanessa Limutin Salinas. I am 23 years old and I am from Mabuhay Prosperidad Agusan del Sur. Currently, I am a second year student of St. Francis Xavier College and I am taking course Bachelor of Secondary major in English. By the way, I want to show you something, an object that describes of me. Here, microphone. Hello, mic test, mic test, mic test. A short introduction of myself. Back then, I am a Prisaa contender, vocal duet category, together with Erickson Corato, Felix Rumar Arcaina, and my very beautiful coach, Sir Rafael James Ipay. At the age of 5, I discovered my talent. I started singing at the church. My mom discovered my talent because I am the one who is the louder at the church, louder at singing. So that is why at the age of 12, I started entering singing contest. Um, I am not entering contest because I am good at singing, but I am entering contest. It's because I want to experience what is singing. I want to try what is singing all about. I realized at that age that I love singing. This is me. At my age, I already applied it to myself. Sometimes, if I'm busy doing house chores, I'm singing because singing can make my work easy. So this is why I chose microphone.